Carrie Ann Inaba is departing the talk after 3 seasons. She confirmed the news in a statement issued on Friday. After 3 seasons, Carrie Ann Inaba is leaving the talk. The TV personality, 53, who replaced Julie Chen as co-host back in 2019, confirmed that she won't be returning to the long-running CBS talk show in a statement issued to HollywoodLife on Friday, August 20th. The news comes a few months after Carrie Ann announced a leave of absence back in April, citing the need to focus on her well-being. I enjoyed my time at the talk as co-host and moderator, and I am grateful for the opportunity I had to grow with the entire talk family as well as truly connect with viewers on such a personal level, Carrie Ann said. I will miss the talk, but I am excited for the next chapter both for myself and for the show. Shortly after her statement, Carrie Ann shared an Instagram video on Friday to reflect on the wonderful experience of co-hosting the show. Dreams do come true, if you work hard for them, she captioned the post. I have made beautiful and lifelong friendships, I've had so many unforgettable experiences, be prepared for a few memories shared in the next few days, and I've learned so much from all the heartfelt and authentic discussions we've shared with you. My heart is full in content. I'm truly grateful for all that was, all that is, life is imperfection, and all that will be. Related gallery. Carrie Ann Inaba, pics. In a joint statement issued on Friday, Heather Gray and Kristen Matthews, executive producers of the talk, expressed gratitude for Carrie Ann. Carrie Ann's authenticity and openness created a special connection and relationship with our audience, the statement read. We will always be grateful for her contributions here at the talk over the last 3 seasons. Her warmth, wisdom and vulnerability are just a few of her many admirable traits that will be missed. We wish her much success and good health going forward. Carrie Ann initially announced her hiatus a few weeks after her former co-host Sharon Osbourne became embroiled in controversy for defending her friend Piers Morgan for derogatory, racist remarks he made about Meghan Markle. Sharon got into a heated spat with fellow host Cheryl Underwood, resulting in backlash and her ultimate departure from the show. Sharon has since been replaced with Jerry O'Connell.